Group. Group usually we know the term group of companies, but in accounting, as a group means all the components whose financial information is included in a group of financial statements. A group always has more than one component. In financial statements, we have this balance sheet, non-current asset, current asset, non-current liability, current liability. These four things you will see. Current liability, what they have, provision they have. Other current liability will be there. Income tax payable will be there. GST payable will be there. Salary payable will be there. Electricity payable for the month will be there. Rent payable will be there. Current asset, what we have? Cash and cash equivalent. Cash in bank we have. Gold, jewelry we will have. Any other inventory will be there. Any other asset there. Any deposit which is going to be recovered in 12 months will be there. Current asset. So these are the things that will be in current assets. So we can't give everything directly, but we give in an as every single items we can say. So we group together. So that so grouping is known as grouping that has been stated, that has been formed as an non-current asset, current asset, non-current liability, current liability. Such a way this term has been defined.